We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7 by 16 foot Vino's enclosed trailer. This does have your jack coupler safety chains, 24 inches of the ATP stone guard, the bottom of the nose. This does have a black screwed exterior finish. Has your 2 axles. They are greaseable. Each is a 3,500 pound axle with 15-inch wheels and tires. Has your LED drive lights. This does have your heavy-duty plywood interior for the walls and the floor. Does have a spring-assisted rear loading ramp, as well as the built-in wall vents. This does have the RV style lock for your passenger side entry door. Once again, this is going to be the 7 by 16 foot black enclosed trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.